Welcome back. We're here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George with another quick bite.
We have a recipe that is going to be incredibly helpful for those individuals that do not eat meat on Fridays during the Lenten season.
Ooh,
so
what do we got?
We are going to make shrimp pesto pizza.
That sounds amazing.
And I will tell you that when I saw this recipe was sent to me by an organization probably 2 years ago, and I was kind of a non-believer, like, pass. And usually I can look at recipes and be like, oh, I'm totally interested in it. And I think we just kept scooting it to the side.
What turned you off?
I don't know, just the combination. I thought that it
of shrimp and pesto?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. I didn't think it was a amazing recipe.
Okay.
So I passed it, and I kind of kept scooting it to the side of my desk, and all of a sudden I was inspired to like, okay, let's just try it. And then, oh man, believer. So what we are going to do is, again, we are going to use a product that you can customize as much as possible. So these are going to be 100% whole wheat sandwich thins. So these are little like hamburger buns. They're pretty flat that you can repurpose, open it up, and you can have 2 pizza crusts out of it. So super easy to do. Again, these are just a little bit lower in calories. They crisp up very well and do not take very long to cook. So much like many of my recipes, we have 4 ingredients here. It is not a lot. We are going to use a commercial basil pesto for our sauce. And so usually pizza sauce is going to be red and tomato based, but I hear all too often that tomatoes maybe cause some acidic burn and people don't like tomatoes. So this is a great substitute.
Yeah.
So this is a basil pesto. If you are not familiar with what pesto is made with herbs and spices, lots of basil, lots of garlic, some pine nuts, and olive oil. It is very flavorful, green. We love the color green, and just has some great nutrition benefits to it. So you can buy commercial basil just with the pasta in the pasta sauce aisle. You can also make it. So this is something that I typically will make. I love basil. I grow basil in the summertime, and you can make it and actually freeze it too.
Okay.
So we're just going to use this as our pizza sauce. So we're not going to use a basic pizza sauce. It is our green sauce here.
This is the base.
This is the base of it. So from here, you are going to get some pre-cooked. You can get baby shrimp. You can get any type of shrimp. And you are going to just sprinkle that right on the pizza. So again, pre-cooked shrimp is the way you're going to want to go. And you can load this up for as much protein as you want on it. And the little ones just work well on the little pizzas.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. And then finally, we are going to use that 2% reduced fat mozzarella shredded cheese. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of this on it. From here, as little or as much as you want. And from here, we actually use one of the pizza spinners. We have used that to cook it. You can pop it in the oven. Really what it needs to do is just heat through and crisp up. So it's not going to take long. I would say 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes in the oven. And really a serving is 2 of them. So when you have a serving of 2, oh my goodness, does it fill you up? And it is.
Well, yeah, this looks filling.
Yes. It is a great source of whole grains. You have your protein in there, good healthy fats with the pesto.
Some dairy with the cheese.
Yes, dairy with the cheese. It is all encompassing and works as a quick, easy lunch for those in a pinch during the Lenten season.
There you go.
Yeah.
Quick, easy, healthy.
Very easy to do.
Kaiti, thank you.
Absolutely.